welcome back to the channel, and a big thank you to Michael from Dwarf Gourami Racing for setting in this haul. Let's get stuck into it. Straight away we're looking at this one here. This is called the Side Ripper. Michael did actually send me one in a previous box which I completely forgot about, so we're going to set up a race with these guys and see how they go on the track. Clearance looks pretty good. This one right here, you may have seen these guys race before on the track. We did set up a special race, and these are rare as hen's teeth in Australia, so we will set up the winner from the previous race against this one here, the Bad Lander, the Moto Track Stars. Pretty cool looking vehicles, and they actually go really well on the fat track. So yeah, we'll set that up very soon. You may know these right in front of us. These are the Hot Wheels ID. Michael has sent in a couple, and here's another one, the Rally Finale. This is a groovy looking car. These cars are extremely well built, I've got to tell you. Now, we do have a few here, but not enough to sort of race in a tournament, and I would like to feature, at least 6 or a dozen of these to race in a tournament down the track at some point in time. This last one here, this was in the box. This is a super van, and I said to Michael, hey, let's customise this up and enter this into Vantastic for 2021. And he said, go for it. This haul that Michael has sent through will race in a lot of tournaments, hot rods and various other things. This one here I've never seen. This is called the Audi Avas. I think that's how you pronounce it. What a cracker of a car this is. I'll always say this, I've never seen it. Look at this track. Wow. It'd be pretty awesome to build and race. Thank you, Michael. That's an extremely excellent car. Now this one here you will see in Road Warriors. Well, not this car, but one like this. This is the Evo. Hot Wheel Boys is currently doing extremely well with this car as a custom, so there you go. The next car is this one. It's got quite a bit of weight in it actually for a stock. It's the 84 Audi Sports Quattro. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm never too sure on these things. And it looks like this one already has a driver, but I will speak with Michael and we will suss this out. Okay, let's move into the next lot. Oh, the Mini just dropped out. The old Morris Mini. Look at this little beauty. Gonna rip up the track. That's a classic. I love the Minis. Always have. Always wanted to own a Mini and was never lucky enough. Now, we have a very special tournament next year with Minis and another car, which I'm not going to announce right yet. But let's just say it's going to be very interesting. Moving into this other one. This is called Octane. I'm pretty sure I have one of these in my own personal collection. I can never be too certain. I have so many cars. Thank you very much. And we get right up here to the 70 Ford Escort. Look at this little ripper. I love boxy looking cars, and I reckon they go really well on the track. And we move right along to the next one. This is the 88 Honda CRX. Excellent shape. These go really well on the track. I have a few myself which I was thinking about modifying, but I've left them as stock. The power of dreams is what drives everything Honda makes. I love that. And the very last out of this particular haul is the Chrysler Pacifica. I'm thinking, Michael, we swap the wheels and enter this into Road Warriors into 2021 sometime. Okay, we have something really different here. I know nothing about these cars. These are called Checker Marathon, and they're made by Matchbox. And all these cars are lacking wheels, as you can see. Michael said between myself and maybe Mark D of CRC Racing, we could put some wheels on there and enter these into various competitions. So we will endeavour to do that. It's got some nice weight, very unique looking shapes, all of them. Check this one out here, little taxi. Man, that's just beautiful. It really is. Put some wheels on that and let it rip. It could become a custom, or it could just go into some kind of hot rods or some kind of stock event. But we'll wait and see what sort of wheels will actually go onto that. Might actually have to take the axles out and try and fit everything. But this looks like some kind of sheriff's car, maybe? I'm not too sure. And here's the last one of the haul from Dwarf Gourami Racing. Beautiful colour. Ah, look, the bonnet opens up. Oh man, these are so detailed and so well built. I thank you so much, Michael, for all of this. Classic looking cars. Wow, another fabulous haul from Dwarf Gourami Racing. I thank you so much, Michael. I really appreciate all the effort that you have gone into, and I love looking at your collections. The motorbikes, which we will race soon, and the Checker Marathons, which are very unique indeed, and all these other cars will endeavour to go into hot rods and various other tournaments, and who knows, perhaps drivers will be required. Hey, before we go, Hot Rod Season 2 starts very soon and you will see Dwarf Gourami Racing. He's got a couple of cars in Season 2, so good luck to Dwarf Gourami Racing. So until next time, thank you, Michael. Catch you guys later.